It is an early morning in Kiminini, and what brings us here, it is JiPOS, of course. JiPOS is occupying everywhere in Kenya, and this time around we are in Western Kenya, and we are going to the hotel called Black Swan Hotel, of course, for transformation purposes. JiPOS works, and it works for everyone across Kenya and across East Africa.
Busy.
Ni hapa?
Ni hapa.
This is the Black Swan.
This is a Black Swan. Hapa tujaweka jina. But mambo ni pole.
That's okay. Hiyo map ndio sasa mweke.
Hiyo map tutaanza
sasa ianzie hapo.
Ianzie hapo.
Hey guys, tuko hapa Uluyani kabisa. With Kombagaja. This is Kombagaja. It feels home at Black Swan Hotel. We are just here. See. So tukiingia hivi tushapewa kiti, tunangoja chai.
Ile chai ya wanaitwa aje?
Hiyo ya Waluya hiyo.
Hiyo.
Unajua huku lazima kila asubuhi ni chai.
Ya wafula.
Ya wafula. Chai is a must. Yeah. So ukifika, you must be treated with a lot of hospitality. It feels home. It feels home.
And a lot of ingoho around.
You can see a lot of ingoho.
Yes, food walking around.
If you see that is a lot of talking. The sound has changed.
So how's it gone?
It has gone well. The sound has just changed. I just need to refuel for the next session.
Very energized.
Right? And because we are in Western, we just do Ingoho and we proceed with the training. And as we said, this is Black Swan Hotel along Kitale, Webuye Road. Just next to the road. Visit here and see what JiPOS does to businesses. And you're not an exception. Keep it JiPOS. Nothing much to say.
The students,
good students, experienced students. Yeah. So something that normally happens is you need to have also at least students who are let me say computer literate. In other words, or must have used systems before, so that training becomes faster and easier. That doesn't put aside those who haven't used systems before, because JiPOS is made easy for everyone. And when it is easy for everyone, it becomes easier to train anyone. And easiest to train those who are experienced.
Experienced in the hospitality.
That is, it becomes easiest.
Yeah. It just flows.
It flows because you don't have to.
You don't have to explain what is a compliment.
Over-explain. You don't
What is
have
a
to
complimentary sale?
You don't have to over-explain. And you see now in this hospitality industry, the terminologies. So if you meet people who interacted with these terminologies, it makes it way easier. I just say this is a complimentary sale, they know what that is. This is an extension of credit, they know what that is. If I say this movement by cost, they already know what that is. Yeah. So it makes it way faster and easier to train. Yeah. So I don't have to explain concepts that are already there in the industry.
Hello, good evening. This is Kitale, and we've been in Black Swan Hotel, just in the middle of Maze. Yes, but of course, next to the highway. It's been JiPOS, good day, a day full of training, learning, and unlearning. They're happy, they're good to go. And yes, it is all joy to the JiPOS family and the JiPOS team. Keep it JiPOS. And if you're within this particular area, Kitale, Eldoret, yeah, you can give us a shout and we'll be right in your business. Of course, have us some chat and share notes, compare notes, advice on what you can do, and it will be good for you. So keep it JiPOS. Today it is Black Swan. Tomorrow we make changes in your business. Turn information into profit. That is what we do, using the only one ERP in Kenya that solves that problem, JiPOS.